press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
This is Opticizer, an active footrest that keeps you moving when you sit, helping you to live a healthier and productive life. This patent-pending innovation is a creative and effective solution to the problem of prolonged sitting. It helps you to maintain a good sitting posture, and it significantly increases your daily activity levels. Tests on female office workers have shown an average of 60 additional calories burnt per hour as opposed to just sitting. This adds up to 480 calories on a typical 8-hour workday, which is equal to 1 hour of intensive workout at the gym. Besides, with increased blood circulation and continuous movements, Opticizer can significantly decrease sedentary health risks and reduce tensions in your back as well as swelling in your feet and legs.
I like it. It's kind of fun.
My muscles were actually stretching.
운동을 한다는 느낌을 많이 받았어요. 마치 내가 하늘을 걷고 있는 느낌?
These days, we spend excessive amount of time in a sitting position. I like to sit when I work because it is less tiring, and I find I can work longer hours and perform better when I'm sitting down. And many of my friends have no other option than to sit at a desk when they work. However, we tend to be less active when we sit, and prolonged inactivity have many negative effects on our body like back pains, cardiovascular risk increase, diabetes, and cancer increases, as well as accelerating the obesity. That's why 7 years ago, I set out to make the device that will counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting.
After numerous prototypes and iterations, we finalized the Opticizer design in collaboration with an award-winning design partner. It is lightweight, durable, and it can fit perfectly anywhere in your home or in your office. Opticizer has many ergonomic benefits. It elevates your legs, stimulates the small and big muscles and joints of your lower body, and helps you to sit in the right posture. And you can constantly move your legs in different directions or pull and push in the same direction. The gliding motion is designed in a way that can increase your NEAT, your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and burn more calories. But it won't make you feel tired or sweaty after all-day use. Opticizer can also help you to do ankle stretches, body rotations, or other exercise moves during your breaks. In addition, Opticizer is designed to fit different body sizes, so everyone will feel comfortable using Opticizer. Opticizer is quiet and non-disruptive, and the increased blood circulation can also lower your stress levels and help you focus better at work. You can pair the Opticizer with the desk and chair you love, so there's no need to throw away your old furniture. Moreover, it is way more affordable than any other sitting or standing solutions currently available on the market. Opticizer is good for you, as well as the people that you care about.
We believe that you and your loved ones should not be harmed by prolonged sitting. Opticizer is ready for production. We have partnered with a reputable manufacturer, and the only thing that is standing between your desk and Opticizer is a first minimum order to start the mass production. Thanks for supporting Officizer and sharing with your friends and family so Officizer can become the best support for you. Stay healthy, be happy.
The building block is one of the most basic and fundamental toys, yet for decades it has remained unchanged, until now. Hi, my name is Matt.
And I'm Mark, and 2 years ago, we launched Fidget Cube. With the help of over 150,000 backers, we brought the project to life.
Now we're back on Kickstarter for the first time since 2016 to show you what we've been working on. Introducing Pixel.
Pixel is a magnetic building system that is infinitely expandable, so you can build as small or as big as you want. With no grooves, notches, or specific sides to line up, we've reimagined what a building block can be with the help of rare earth magnets, which we've designed to auto-rotate. Simply take one pixel block, place it next to another pixel block, and watch them snap together.
From there, you can choose to build things to the side to keep things two-dimensional, or you can build in all directions to make them three-dimensional. And with Pixel available in 4 different sizes and 52 different colors, you have a vast palette to work with.
Don't know what to build? No problem. With the Pixel Companion app, you'll be able to find inspiration from other users' designs, or build your own designs in-app and share them with the rest of the Pixel community. If 2D art is more your style, upload an image and let the app do the rest, converting your picture into an easy-to-follow-along blueprint made from the exact pixel palette of 52 colors. You can also choose to manually customize your blueprint block by block. We've spent a lot of time working on Pixel, so this is where you come in. We've got tooling underway, but we're turning to you to take this system and community to the next level.
Be sure to check out our project rewards and choose the one that's right for you.
As ANSI Labs, our priority has always been and will continue to be to create interesting, unique, and fun products made with high-quality materials and standards. And we're confident in saying that we met those goals with Pixel. We can't wait for you to get your hands on Pixel so you can show us what your imagination is capable of. Thank you for your support.
ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita.